The Kodiak Kube is a rechargeable, compact, waterproof COB LED flashlight and work light. Let's take a closer look at the rich feature set of this light. Inside the package is the cube and a micro USB charging cable. Because the cube is rechargeable, it's best to charge it fully before first use. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, such as a power cube, computer, car charger, or power bank. Pull back the rubber port cover and insert the micro USB plug. A red light next to the charging port indicates charging is in progress, and it changes to green when charging is complete. A full charge of the non-replaceable 3.7 volt 1000 milliamp hour lithium battery can take up to 4 hours. The cube also functions as a power bank to charge your smartphone. To do so, plug your own charging cable into the USB port on the cube and the other end into your phone. But please remember, the cube is designed to give your phone a boost rather than a full charge, and that charging your phone reduces the overall runtime of the light. Easy one-button operation gives you access to 3 brightness modes on the cube. High brightness is 300 lumens with a 1.5 hour runtime. Medium is 120 lumens with a 3.5 hour runtime, and low is 35 lumens with a 10-hour runtime. The cube weighs in at just under 2 ounces and measures 1.5 inches on all sides. A short lanyard and key ring are attached. The cube is rubber coated and fully waterproof, but be sure to keep the port cover closed. The bottom edge is beveled at 45 degrees to help aim light, and the back features a strong integrated magnet for even more mounting options. All of this functionality and convenience comes from a powerful light about the size of a golf ball. Pack them in your emergency kit at home or on the road, in your toolbox, tackle box, bug-out bag, or storm shelter.